on 1015.
What did I do?
You running from me.
Yeah.
So you're telling me you're going to go 30 miles an hour when you pass me, and then you're going to cook 90 on a four-wheeler?
I know you. I'm sorry.
You know what?
I'm sorry, man.
You were fleet. Are you Hunter Jacks?
Yes, sir.
You're going to fucking jail.
I'm sorry, man.
Shut your mouth. Texas. So why were you running?
Man, look.
You got warrant.
I do, but listen, please just listen to me. Don't hear me out. Okay. Like, I'm not trying to get, I know y'all know. I know I got warrants. I want to take down.
K5, and address is going to be 2462 and 2462 and
I'm going to lose everything. Like, everything, bro.